Namaskar, this is Sonia Bhandari and I welcome you to Aarsun Woods. And today we have along with us Ashish Mittal,
Namaskar.
Director of Aarsun Woods. And today we will be talking about this beautiful bedroom set. So please sir, let us know something about this set, sir.
Sure, ma'am. This is a different design. We have been showing you a lot of videos. I think more than 1200 videos we have already on YouTube. And in that, I think more than 100 bedroom sets we have shown you. This one is straight out of a catalog image. And ma'am, as you know, when we talk about a catalog image, the images that are generated from computer. And today in this time, due to AI, artificial intelligence, it's very easy to generate images, but this is a real unit out of a computer generated image.
Right.
I'll tell you what all we have done, how is it completed. First, let's talk about the sizes. The size of this bed is India king size. And if we talk about India king size, the size of the mattress is 6 feet left to right and front to back 6.5 feet. This is the size in India. But out of India, we have different sizes also. Also, a big chart is on the website where we have shown all the sizes, Super King size, California size, Eastern King size, different sizes are available.
Okay.
And we make according to the client's requirement. The back height is close to 5 feet, is 62 inches, a couple of inches more than 5 feet. And the front side also is quite high as compared to the rest of the beds. So it's around 30 inches high, the front. So this is the size of the unit. Along with this, we have two nightstands, 24 inches, 15 inches, and the height is 24. This is about the size of the unit.
The size you mentioned is the size of mattress, not the
Yes.
size of the bed.
Yes,
right?
that's right. That's absolutely right. See, when we talk about the size of any bed, it could be queen size, king size, super king size. We are talking about the size of the mattress, not the bed. Because bed can be a little
Wider.
extended, yes, wider also, depending on the designing part. So some parts can go outside or protruding outside. So that is not considered. Only the mattress area defines the size of the bed.
Bed. Okay. Recently, we have received our silver play button as we have crossed 1 lakh subscriber. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Thank you so much.
Sir, about the designing part, what is so different about this bed?
The difference is first the color part. The color theme, if you see, we have white and
And
this the silver shading in the middle. And on the front, if you see, we have a contrast here. The broader part is silver, and then we have black shading.
Right.
So it was same in the catalog
Catalog.
image, and the client wanted as is, as in the image. Similarly, if you see the nightstands, they are pure white. There's no color on that. And along with this, we have an ottoman. That's right there. That's quite similar to the headboard, white and silver shading in that. The size of the ottoman is 5.5 feet by 2 feet wide.
Okay. Broadly, if we categorize the beds, what are the two categories of beds?
If we categorize the beds, then we have with storage or without
And
storage.
without storage.
And that also depends on the kind of mattress client uses. So if you are using very thick mattresses, let's say 12 inches, 15 inches or 18 inches, very thick mattresses, then storage doesn't make any sense.
Right.
Because we have to get the proper height, sitting height. Too high or too low sitting height is not comfortable. So we have to maintain a proper sitting height. So in case this one is with storage and side storage with hydraulic, very easy to open and very easy to close. And the best part about the side storage is you get the complete storage area. So where you have the front load, where you open the front side, you generally don't get that much space because it is in a curve like 45 degrees. So we get very less space in this side. And similar case with the side storage, the drawers, we have made that too. So in that, some space is not usable. The middle area and the drawers are not that wide. Here we get the complete open storage. Now this is about the storage part. And if you are looking for a broader mattress, thicker mattress, then we provide without storage. Out of India, beds are mostly without storage. People don't like storage there. And in some beds, like the poster beds, very heavy, the canopy beds, storage is not there because the designs are such, they're quite elevated designs. So storage doesn't work. This is the broad difference in the category of beds. Then sizes, of course, king, queen, super king, they are the sizes.
Sir, if we talk about a complete bedroom set, what all do we get?
In a bedroom set, of course, we have a bed, and nightstands. So one or two, that is your choice. But generally, we prefer to have nightstand because it's very convenient. All of us have mobile phones these days, and some people love to read at night before sleeping. Water bottles are always there when we sleep.
Right.
If we are thirsty at night, we need something easy accessible. So nightstands are very comfortable. So you are on the bed, you just need to stretch your hand and pick the stuff. And then we have drawers, storage area. So if we have something like some medicines that we require at night, or anything that you want very easily reachable, so you can keep in the storage area, in the nightstands, in the side tables. So it is always handy, so you can have one or two depending on your requirement or the space. Other than that, we have ottomans. Ottomans are a very popular concept. And if you don't want the ottoman, you can go for bedroom chairs along with a coffee table. That is also a very nice concept. And then we have wardrobes and dressing units. Some people also use TV units. And you can add more if you have a big room.
Big
So you
space.
can go for a complete sofa also, depending on the client's requirement. But these are the basic elements of a bedroom.
Okay. Sir, as we are carving people, we have showed so many design. What
Yes.
is this design called?
This is broadly a neoclassical design. And if we compare, if we relate it to a country, they're broadly French designs.
Okay.
In French designs, you don't get very heavy carving. You see a lot of wood and very less crown or a little carving here and there. So if you see in this one also, most of the area is plain. A little carving here, little carving in the middle, and similarly on the front part, little carving. So these are mostly neoclassical designs.
Okay.
If you go in Italy or Turkey or Egypt, you get very heavy carving. And in India also, most of the designs have got very nice heavy carving, and that makes the design quite heavy. Another thing about the neoclassical designs is that they look little leaner. And other word that people use about these designs are minimalist. So we
Okay.
have very little carving. So minimalist is the word people use about neoclassical furniture. And similarly, if you see ottoman, very light carving on the ottoman, just a little lines in there. Rest everything is a plain unit. So that is something people like about it, about the neoclassical furniture.
Okay.
And then the color part. Color is client's choice. So what you like, we make that. We have done antique gold, silver, gold leafing, and champagne, gold rush, triple shade, double shade, and then polished colors, natural, walnut, mahogany, matte finish, high gloss finish. All of them we have done already, and we have so much to show you. Hundreds and hundreds of designs we have made, and this had been possible because clients trusted us from across the globe, and they have given us orders and they have given us their choice. So that's why we call our furniture
Choice wala furniture.
choice wala furniture, because we love to do what you like. And this is why, this is the sole reason we have been able to make such a huge design catalog.
So, sir, every furniture has its own benefits. So,
Yes.
what is the good part of Ottoman?
If you talk about Ottoman, they are open ended. Both sides are open. And when we don't have a back, it doesn't block the view. So you can place it this side, and mostly they are kept in front of the bed. So if someone is on the bed, the view is not blocked. And the best part is it can be used from both sides. So you can place it this side, you can place it this side, anywhere you want. But if you have a back, let's say generally in bedrooms, we use the divan type units, also called love settees or love seats. So in that, the corner does matter. So which is higher, which is lower. But this thing has no boundaries. So you can keep it anywhere, this side, in front of the bed, anywhere you want, and use it as is.
Okay. Another point I like to mention here, from our website artsandwoods.com, there is a client testimonial section. From there you can take reference. There are actual pictures of clients home. You can take reference from there. We deliver in India and outside India, wherever you are. You can contact us. The number is right here on your screen. We will happy talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.